The Eta Aquarid Meteor Shower peaked on May 6, 2025. It was a beautiful sight. People all over the world enjoyed the show. The southern hemisphere had the best view. They saw up to 50 meteors every hour. The northern hemisphere saw fewer meteors. People there saw around 10 meteors every hour. But it was still an amazing event to witness. The Eta Aquarids didn't disappear right away. They remained visible until May 21st. This gave skywatchers more chances to see them. Even though the peak has passed, you might still catch a glimpse. Keep looking up. The universe is full of surprises. These meteors come from Halley's Comet. This famous comet leaves a trail of debris as it travels through space. Every year, Earth passes through this debris field. When the tiny bits of comet debris hit our atmosphere, they burn up. This creates the fiery streaks we call meteors. Eta Aquarid meteors are fast. They zip through the atmosphere at about 40 miles per second. That's like traveling from New York to Los Angeles in 1 minute. It's no wonder they burn so bright. People all over the world shared their experiences of the Eta Aquarids on social media. Delilah B., a photographer from Indonesia, captured a breathtaking image of the Milky Way with a meteor streaking across it. She shared her photo on Instagram with the caption, "The universe always knows how to put on a show. #Eta Aquarids, #Milky Way." Eric, a space enthusiast from Minnesota, shared a time-lapse video of the meteors on Twitter. He wrote, "Absolutely mesmerized by the #Eta Aquarids tonight. The sky is alive." These posts show the power of the night sky to connect us all. Did you see the Eta Aquarids? I hope you got to witness this cosmic event. If you did, I'd love to hear about your experience. If you're interested in photographing the night sky, there are many resources available online. Websites like space.com offer tips and tricks for astrophotography. You don't need fancy equipment to capture the beauty of the cosmos. Even a simple smartphone can do the trick. The next meteor shower to look out for is the Orionids, which will peak on October 22nd to 23rd. The Orionids are also created by debris from Halley's Comet. So mark your calendars. Keep looking up and never stop exploring the universe.